In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. If you want a quick heads up whenever an email lands in your inbox, this will keep you informed without constantly checking the tab. This works in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox on both Windows and Mac. These notifications appear as native alerts from your computer, even if the tab isn't in front, so they're easy to spot while you're working in other apps. Keeping your browser up to date also helps avoid permission glitches. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com, then sign into the account where you want alerts. Keep this tab open because Gmail needs to be running in a browser tab to send desktop notifications. Next, go to Gmail Settings. In the top right, click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is where the notification options live. Scroll down until you find Desktop Notifications. You'll see two choices. New Mail Notifications On will alert you for every incoming message. Important Mail Notifications On will only alert you for messages Gmail marks as important based on your past activity, starred emails, and filters. If you're not sure which one to pick, choose New Mail Notifications On so you don't miss anything. You can always switch to Important Only later once you've seen how Gmail labels your messages. After you select your preference, Gmail will prompt your browser to request permission. When the browser pop-up appears near the address bar, click Allow. If you previously clicked Block, you'll need to change that permission. Click the padlock icon next to the URL, open Site Settings or Permissions, set notifications to Allow, then return to Gmail and refresh the page. On some browsers, the prompt can appear at the top or just under the address bar, so keep an eye out for it. Also make sure your computer's system notifications are turned on and that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off, otherwise you won't see alerts. Don't forget to save. Scroll to the very bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. If you skip this, Gmail won't keep your selection. If the option looks grayed out, it usually means notifications are blocked at the browser level. Adjust the permission and reload. That's it. Gmail desktop notifications are now enabled. To confirm it's working, send yourself a quick test email or ask someone to message you. You should see a small banner from your browser with the sender and subject. Remember, notifications are per account, so repeat these steps for any additional inboxes you use, and keep at least one Gmail tab open while you work.